Hey guys, so let me introduce to you the new green spill removal feature, and it's just released on Android. It'll be on iOS within a couple weeks, so let me show you how it works. So here, notice how the green light from the green blanket is reflecting onto the mouse and the table which it is sitting on. So see how there's like a little green halo on the mouse and on the table? And it's a very subtle thing, but this is one of those things where you look at it and you're like, okay, it's made with a green screen. So this is how to remove the green colors in Teleplay. So you just go to the gear icon and then go to spills and then set the red and blue bars to 1 and green to 0.4. That's what it says in the instructions here. Okay. And now, gonna remove that. Okay, so now notice how there's green all over here. Now we're just gonna take a picture. It also does video, obviously. So you just have to tap for a picture, and now let's see how the picture looks like. And you can also hold for 2 seconds and it'll take a video, and it'll also remove the green colors in the video as well. So see, this is what we have here. So see how the green isn't there anymore. It looks much more real. And okay, so see, this is what we have now. No green. And now let's go back to how it looks like in real life. Let's go back to the Teleplay app. Yep, see how let's just do a quick before and after. So before, see all the green, and after. Yep. And that's all there is to it. So let's also try a video which removes the green screen. There's gonna be, when you apply the green spill settings, your videos and photos will take longer to process. But if I think it's worth the wait. So let's hold it. Let's take a little video. Okay, processing, and the more newer your device is, the faster your processing will be. This green spill, when you apply the green spill feature, it's definitely going to increase your processing time. But you know, if you're going for that one shoot, which to make it look amazing, might as well do it. See how long it takes to process. As you can tell, okay, that wasn't too bad. So let's go to gallery. Let's look for the video. Beautiful, without any green whatsoever. You know, I should have made the whole thing spin, you know, so you know it's a video, but there it is, guys. The green spill removal feature, it's a very, very subtle thing, but it makes a huge difference in making your product shoots realistic. And I'm here if you have any questions.